So recently, I found about one particular company that runs 200,000 calls per day with AI voice agents. In this video, I'm going to kind of show you around squads in VAPI. This is a really cool feature. Also, how I found out about this is I got like an email from VAPI, and here it says that Fleetworks runs 240,000 calls a day through squads. So they basically created squads. Squads are teams of assistants, each doing one thing well. And then they hand off conversations quietly, sharing just enough context. And that's how things probably should have worked from the beginning. As you can see, that's what VAPI says. But this is how the squads are looking like. So we have a front desk. This is kind of like a point of view of your business when it comes to AI voice agents, right? So let's say you are a dentistry, or let's say, no, you are let's say travel agency, right? You have a front desk here. You have a tour guide, right? And then you have a restaurant that, maybe you're connected to a restaurant as well. You're sending all of your travel, guests and people that book travels to a restaurant too. So this is kind of like how squads work, right? So that's what VAPI did. This is like an initial way. So with squads, you see and you control exactly how voice AI handles complex conversations. So instead of cramming every scenario into a single prompt, you can compose specialized assistants that hand off conversations while maintaining context. So this is very, very important for those of you who have maybe a bigger business, and for those of you who want to try VAPI for this. It's an incredible add-on, okay? So in VAPI, how you access squads, I'll just show you around quickly, is you go to squads under the API keys right here. And obviously, if you want to try this for free, we have a link below so you can try this for free. You get like 100 credits right here that we have for free. So, and then all you have to do is just go to squads, and here you can create a squad. So let's say a squad name. You can also add your first member, and the member is an AI voice agent. So for example, I have insurance agent, and let's say this is my front desk, right? And I can just create this squad right here. As you can see, this is right now the insurance agent. I can also add the description here. I can do the description, the name. I can even change for each of these. I can change the prompt, the identity, the temperature, and I can edit the assistant too. So if I want, I can just go to edit assistant, and it will bring me to an individual tab where I can edit the prompts for the assistant. This is very cool. Here you can see the transcriber, the model, the voice. It's a very cool point of view of what you can do. Now you can obviously connect these with some other assistants. Like let's say I add an assistant here for like let's say Ava right here. And I add that assistant right here, and I can connect these two together to work together, okay? Now, as you can see, handoff right here. So when the handoff is going to happen, I can click on this, and as you can see, I can see this tool information. So when the handoff is going to be happening, the destination is from insurance agent to Ava. So that's what we are looking to do. And as you can see, here is variable extraction plan. So you can define variables to extract from the conversations before transferring. Then when you transfer, so when someone transfers from your insurance agent to Ava, Ava will know exactly, where the insurance agent left off. And here you can have new connection to, like, this is just the description, but you can add a property here, like a variable can be name. For example, you can collect name. That is required. You can collect, email, and this is all string, right? So you can go here and you have string. Then you can connect a phone number, and that could be like a number here, as you can see, and that can be all required, right? So phone number. And all of that is happening right here, as you can see. All of that is really, really cool. And then you can start node here if you want. You can hit save. You can call to test this out too, which is really cool. Now I will go and I will create an in-depth tutorial on this one. Just so you can kind of understand how this works. I just wanted to show you like how one company is essentially running 200,000 calls per day with AI voice agents. And this is Fleetworks. So Fleetworks basically saves 100+ engineering hours with these squads and with VAPI. They have an entire interview here. You can kind of watch that if you want. But overall, they did choose VAPI because it's developer friendly, right? It's customizable, which is really great. You have like a high touch forward deployed team. Right now, they also kind of said here about the operations and how successfully they're processing tens of thousands of automated calls daily through VAPI, which is incredible. And yeah, they're doing this through this particular squad builder, where if you have many squads, if you have many AI voice agents, you would be able to pretty much do this and scale this even further for your business. So if you have a call center, I think I actually kicked my microphone for a second. If you have a call center, if you have like a bigger business that needs a lot of volume, then this is definitely for you. Again, you can try out VAPI with our link below. But yeah, that's overall it for this video. We'll see you in the next video.